Did you know the modern US $5 bill is packed with hidden security features most people never notice? The bill measures 6.14 by 2.61 inches and is made from a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, making it stronger than normal paper. But here's the question. Have you ever checked a real $5 bill under light? You'll see two hidden watermarks, a glowing blue security thread with USA and 5 plus microscopic text printed across the note. The front features President Abraham Lincoln, while the back shows the Lincoln Memorial with a large purple number 5. Inside the U.S. currency factory, advanced machines inspect every bill before they're packed into bundles with official Federal Reserve red straps and sent across America.
Take a look at the $10 bill in your wallet. It may seem ordinary, but this small piece of paper carries some of the most advanced printing technology in America. Have you ever noticed how different it feels compared to normal paper? That's because the US $10 bill is made from a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, giving it incredible durability. On the front, you'll see Alexander Hamilton printed with raised ink that you can actually feel with your fingertips. Flip the bill over, and the US Treasury Building appears in stunning engraved detail. But hidden inside the design are secret security features most people never notice. Tiny microprinted text, hidden watermarks, and a security strip that glows under UV light. Every $10 bill is carefully inspected by powerful machines inside the US currency factory before it's bundled and sent into circulation
inside the Federal Reserve.
So next
advanced
time
robotic
you spend
systems
$10,
bundle
ask
thousands of
yourself,
dollars
how
for
much hidden
circulation,
technology
ensuring
are you
precision
really
and
holding in your
security.
hand?